Lameo panels are a modern form of wall and ceiling decoration. The panels have a modern design and also perfectly absorb sound waves, while eliminating the effects of echoes in a room. You can install the panels very quickly and easily by yourself. To stick the panels onto the felt, you will need a caulking gun and a construction adhesive. Optionally, you can cut off the ends with a sharp knife, handsaw or electric saw. Step 1. Apply the construction adhesive to the panel. The adhesive should be applied in strips directly onto the felt. One tube is enough to assemble 3 full-length panels. Step 2. Glue the panel to the wall, keeping it vertical. Step 3. Continue installing the panels until you have achieved the desired width. You can cut the panels in a quick and easy way. If the panel is too wide, cut it with a sharp knife. Our felt is additionally hardened, so it doesn't pill and is easy to clean. Use a vacuum cleaner to remove the dust created during cutting. Sand the jagged ends with sandpaper. If you're mounting the panels on the ceiling, you can additionally use black screws that will not show up on the black felt. Lameo decorative panels are an absolute novelty in interior design and public spaces. Products from our offer are available in over 10 colors and perfectly match the current decorative arrangement trends. Lameo panels on felt are characterized by excellent acoustic properties and are easy to install.